What's up, you guys? Brandon here. Now, in today's video, we're going to be going over the issues of what the Galaxy Fold has been going through, and kind of what I see from what I've seen by different tech reviewers and articles that I've read, as well as like Twitter info that's been out there. And we're gonna be kind of going over what I believe, what I don't believe, and what has actually caused this problem of the new Galaxy Fold pretty much breaking in half. Now, I originally encountered this information from Marques Brownlee, right? And he's the one I discovered about the cracking, which is in his Twitter right here, right? So you see the crack starting to develop here, where there's actually a protective adhesive of plastic around the whole edge, if you can see right there. So pretty much, right, so you would get out of a box, right, and pretend this is the Galaxy Fold, which is not, it's the Galaxy S10. But when you buy it, right, you got pretty much a coating of plastic all around the edge, and that's what you get with the Galaxy Fold, right? But the thing is, with the Galaxy Fold, there's a point on which you can actually take it off from here if you don't want the plastic adhesive on it. So genuinely, with the S10s or S9s or whatever, you can just take off the plastic coating and just put glass coating on there if you want, because glass coating is more protection. And genuinely, when you get a new phone, you take the plastic off, which is what Marques was doing probably in this case, and he's maybe going to put glass one on there. So you got reports like this. Then if we actually go on Twitter and do hashtag Galaxy Fold, we got things such as like reviews and stuff, and all these pretty gifs. See crack here. See, as you can see here, we already got negativity going on about the Galaxy Fold. The Galaxy Fold disaster is ridiculous but small. The small but building positive reputation of the Fold is gone because of a disaster. Samsung seems to cut corners, try to bring out our tech plus appear the best. If you go onto YouTube, right, when you go, if you type in Galaxy Fold broken, there's tons of videos coming out. And even if we go into Google, right, if you just type in Galaxy Fold, not broken, not nothing, right, you got reports here, see broken, you got images right here of cracking, come down here to 1 day use. It's by Steve Kovac. As you can see, it's got problems along here, flickering and flashing. Just play that once more. So there's that. And you got other people like Mark Gurman reporting the same problems. See, all around. And on this one, I don't actually see a protective adhesive, unless that might be it right there. I'm not sure. Yeah. The screen on my Galaxy Fold reviews unit is now completely broken and unusable in just 2 days. Hard to know if this is widespread or not. And as you can see, back there is the plastic adhesive that comes with the unit itself for reviewers. Yeah, as you can see, it's really bad here. See Marques, which is the picture I was just showing you before. And apparently, Des actually put this out saying, "Dear future Galaxy Fold owners, I know I always say no one ever reads the instructions. Please read this one. This is the wrap over of the Galaxy Fold." Now, this here apparently was never actually on the protection bit of the phone. Like, I don't know where he got this image from. Yeah, I don't know where he got this image, but has anyone else found this text anywhere on the box? Mine didn't have any printed in plastic. See, Mine didn't, Marques didn't, Soldier didn't. Des got it, but he might have gotten it after the other reviewers. That's a possibility. Yeah, Unbox Therapy says maybe difference between review and retail unit. That's a possibility. Yeah, Todd saying that doesn't come up with anything. Yeah, as we can see, it's all very very weird. But that's just one of the many articles that's out there right now. So pretty much, right, I see this as a step back for Samsung as a company. And with the protective adhesive where it says, oh, don't remove this plastic covering, otherwise you may cause damage to your phone, which is as we can see, that's the case, which sucks for the units that were sent out to the product reviewers, because they now have a phone that's pretty much useless. And for people that pre-order the phone, hopefully by the time this phone actually rolls out, that problem will be fixed, or it can be altered in such a way that you can take off the plastic adhesive and either have it with no protection or replace the plastic with glass protection, just because glass is obviously better. So I feel like Samsung will definitely fix this issue. Pretty much, if you've pre-ordered the Galaxy Fold, either take it with a grain of salt that you should not remove the plastic, or else bad things might happen. In fact, replace that might happen with will most likely happen. So don't remove it unless in the future Samsung publicly announces that they've done some sort of technological change in the Samsung Galaxy Fold, and now you can actually take off the adhesive without it actually breaking. So I wish I could get a repair unit, but obviously I can't. One, because I'm a tiny YouTuber, and two, I haven't got the phone on me because I haven't got a review unit. But if this happens, or I end up getting the Galaxy Fold for myself through most likely retail, if this does happen to me, and I'll share my thoughts and opinions on the phone itself as a whole, because I was looking at it myself and I was like, it's a really, really cool idea, but for me as a, I guess me as me, I wouldn't use it that much. I mean, I'm just fine with my phone, and I'm getting a Microsoft Surface Pro Monday because I'm buying one, and I'm doing a review of that, so that'd be cool. And so if you guys got this issue, or you want to make a discussion, hit me up on Twitter or in the comments below. I'll discuss that with you. Anyone else that wants to reach out, feel free. And other than that, this is Brandon from BlazeTech signing out. See you guys in the next video. Bye.